crocodile scare. Nessa and her family were boating in the river in a coracle, which is a small and circular boat. Nessa's younger brother, Simon, was dangling his hand in the water. His mother pulled him back, saying, "Don't do that, Simon. The river is full of crocodiles." Simon angrily moved away from his mother. This movement caused the boat to rock, and suddenly there was a big splash. Simon's mother shouted, "Where is Simon?" "Oh no, he has fallen into the water." His father said, "Simon, here, take my hand." Suddenly, mother saw a dark body moving towards the boat. "A crocodile is coming. Hurry, Simon." Worried and scared, Simon slipped under the boat. Nessa dived in, caught him and swam up. Just as they were pulled back into the boat, the dark shadow reached their boat. Everyone gasped with relief. It is just a giant log. However, Simon had learned his lesson. A sleepy afternoon. "It is so hot, I wish I could sleep," thought Michael as he struggled to complete his homework. "But if I sleep now, I will have to do these math sums later." Michael shifted his books closer to the window to allow the gentle breeze to enter his room. As he moved, his gaze fell on the house right across the narrow street. "That's funny. The Smiths are not in town, so why can I see faint shadows moving across their window?" Michael wondered loudly. Silently and carefully, he walked across and peered in. A thief were busy stealing from the Smith's cupboard. Michael bolted the front door, which the thief had opened, and started screaming, "There is a thief here!" Soon everybody in the neighborhood was up. Somebody called the police and the thief was arrested. The thief revealed that he had thought everybody would be asleep in the afternoon. Thanks to Michael's maths homework, he was caught. Trouble in the air. Ellen was excited. Today was her first flight as Captain Ellen. The 4 stripes on her sleeve shone as she entered the cockpit and took her seat behind the main controls. She smiled at Ben, the other pilot. They waited for clearance from ground control for a takeoff and were soon in the air. Everything seemed to be in order, but Ellen could not shake off a nasty feeling. "I have a bad feeling," she said as Ben got up to drink water. Suddenly the plane shook violently. They had run into rough weather. As Ellen changed the altitude of the plane in search of smoother conditions, the passengers prayed for their safety. Working smartly, Ellen soon had the plane under control. Once the plane stopped shaking, the passenger clapped and congratulated Ellen on her flying. Never had Ellen felt happier than this in her life. An apple a day. Angela was bored. Her father had taken them all on a hectic tour of Rome, showing them the Colosseum, Trevi Fountain, Pantheon, and Angela was tired. She did not care much for old buildings or their history. She wanted to do something exciting and eat an authentic pizza. All of a sudden, Angela noticed a man push a lady and snatch a bag from her. The man had stolen the poor lady's bag. Angela realized. She ran after the robber. Taking out the apple in her pocket, she hurled it at his head. The robber stumbled and crashed on the pavement. Before he realized what was happening, Angela had picked up the fallen bag. Angela returned the bag to the lady. The lady smiled and said, "Thank you, my dear. Please come for dinner to my place with your family." Angela got her wish after all, an adventure and great food.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.